Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and today in this video I am going to be doing the review of a very special product. This is the Flix wireless charger come product sanitizer. So as you can see, this is the wireless charging pad, and this product is actually a two-in-one, which is an amalgamation of a wireless charger and a product sanitizer, which uses the ultraviolet radiations to sanitize your products. So this is a product that is available actually offline, guys. I'll be trying to leave a link for this product in the description where you guys can inquire about this product, try to buy one for yourself, and also I'll try to leave a few links of similar such products which are available on Amazon. Now let's talk about the product itself. As you can see, it says the Flix branding is written over here, and also we have the on and off button that is present over here where you can on and off this charging mechanism and also turn on and off the sanitizer. On the bottom side we have the rubber pad that is present, and also here we have the USB Type-C port where you can use your existing USB Type-C cables to connect it. On this surface it is a white, clean white surface which can be used to place your smartphones like this for your wireless charging process. Let's open the product from the inner side. As you can see, this is the inner surface, and this is where you can actually place a lot of other things. It can be your keys, it can be your smartphone, it can be your earphones, it can be your mask. Anything can be placed here for the sanitization process. This product actually uses the ultraviolet radiations to sanitize your products. It actually fits smartphones up to 6.8 or 6.9 inches. As you can see, this is my LG Wing, and it is actually fitting easily without any issues inside this, and you can just close it like this and turn the switch on. Now let me just quickly go ahead and show you guys how this actually works. I've actually connected the Flix wireless charger and sanitizer to the charger, guys. You can connect any charger, and you can connect the USB Type-C cable to the port that is present at the back surface. And the second important thing is it supports wireless charging up to 10 watt, guys. Any device that you have with you which supports wireless charging can be charged easily by keeping it on this surface. Once you actually plug in, you can see this blue color light that is present over there, as you can see, which says that the product is ready for its operation. Now for the demonstration purpose, I'm actually using the mask and the smartphone, guys. The smartphone will sit on the top as a wireless charger, and mask will go inside this for the sanitization process, guys. As you can see, I'm keeping the mask inside this surface. You actually have to use a product which is kind of thin. If you're using a thick mask or something, then you will not be actually able to close this. And now I can actually keep my smartphone also for wireless charging process to start. As you can see, this is the phone like this, and I'll just keep it right on the surface over here. As you can see, the smartphone has successfully started to charge wirelessly. This is a two-in-one use case scenario, guys. While the smartphone is charging wirelessly, you can also sanitize your products that is present on the inside of this box, guys. You can also wirelessly charge your earbuds, which supports wireless charging, guys. If you're having some Apple AirPods or something, or any other wireless earbuds which supports wireless charging, then you can keep it on this surface for wireless charging purposes, and it supports up to 10 watt of wireless charging as well. Let me go ahead and turn on this, guys. You'll have to actually press the button like this, and as you just heard, there will be a beep sound which comes. Once the beep sound comes, that means the sanitization process has started successfully. It will use the ultraviolet radiations to sanitize your products, guys, so that it will be safer, and any virus that is actually present on the surface of the products that you have kept inside will be cleaned within a matter of few minutes. So you'll have to wait for around 5 minutes, guys. Just after 5 minutes, the sanitization process will be successfully completed. And guys, while the sanitization process is ongoing, one thing that I actually observed with respect to the wireless charging is you will actually have to align this wireless charging on the pad perfectly. As you can see, I just tried to move it to the left, the charging actually stopped. So you will have to properly align it on the wireless charging pad, and still it is not working. And let me just move it. As you can see, when I just moved the phone on the middle of the wireless charging pad, then the charging process actually started successfully.
Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh.
Once we have got the beep, you can just open this like this and you can take away your product and it will be completely sanitized. You cannot notice anything as such on the product, guys. However, it will remain the same. When we use sanitizers on our hand, we will get the smell right. The sanitization process in this will not have any smell or any fragrance as such, but overall it is just a peace of mind that it gives that our products has been sanitized successfully. And all in all, this is a very good product, guys, that I have been using for the last couple of weeks. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.